which of the following planets water cycle is available? Answer is Earth. The asteroids revolve around the Sun in between Mars and Jupiter. Which of the following is called the twin of the Earth? Answer is Venus. Which amidst the following planets has its orbit closest to Sun? Answer is Venus. The light from the Sun reaches the Earth in about 8 seconds. The surface temperature of the Sun is estimated as 6000 degrees centigrades. Which one of the following planets has no moon? Answer is Mercury. Which one of the following is called a red planet? Answer is Mars. Brightest planet in our solar system is? Answer is Venus. The Milky Way galaxy was first observed by? Answer is Galileo. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Answer is Venus. The largest planet in our solar system is? Answer is Jupiter. The 4 largest planets of the solar system in decreasing size are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The number of satellites of the planet is Mercury is 0. Which of the following does not belong to the solar system? Nebula. Which is the coldest among the following? Answer is Pluto. The moon is showing its same face to the earth because its period of rotation and revolution are the same. Pulsars are rapidly spinning stars. Biggest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. Which is the second nearest star to the earth after the Sun? Proxima Centauri. The outermost layer of the Sun is called corona. Which planet is called evening star? Answer is Venus. The planet revolving east to west is? Answer is Venus. The planet emitting green light is? Answer is Uranus. The number of zodiacs is 12. Which of the following is known as the morning star? Answer is Venus. Which planet orbits closest to the earth? Answer is Venus. Solar energy is received by the earth through radiation. The planets on either side of the earth are Mars and Venus. Which planet looks reddish in the night sky? Mars. Which one of the following is the largest planet? Jupiter. The mass of Jupiter is approximately 1,000th of the solar mass. The planet nearest to the Sun is Mercury. The planet that takes 88 days to make one revolution of the Sun is. Answer is Mercury. Supernova is an exploding star. Which planet in our solar system is nearly as big as the Earth? Venus. Which of the following is called blue planet? Earth. Which planets do not have satellites revolving around them? Answer is Mercury and Venus. The planet which has the highest surface temperature is. Answer is Venus. A spinning neutron star is known as. Answer is pulsar. When the moon completely covers the sun, it is known as. Answer is umbra. The darkest portion of the shadow cast during an eclipse is. Answer is umbra. The total number of planets revolving around the sun is 8. In a solar or lunar eclipse, the region of Earth's shadow is divided into 3 parts. Day and night are equal at the equator. Name the first Asian country to orbit Mars. India. Which of the following scientists proved that the path of each planet around the sun is elliptical? Kepler. Which of these is a dwarf planet? Eris. On which date is India likely to experience the shortest day? December 22nd. When does solar eclipse takes place? When the moon is between the sun and the earth. When does the sun shines vertically on the equator? Twice a year. Which among the following statements is true regarding international date line? It is 180 degrees longitude. The Grand Canyon is located on the Colorado River. The deposits of the ancient Tethys Sea were folded to form the. Answer is Himalayas. The west to east extension of the Himalayas is known as Indus Gorge to the Hun Gorge. Most of the devastating earthquakes are usually caused by collision of earth plates. Which one of the following is the greatest circle? Answer is equator. Hanging Valley is formed due to the action of glacier. Mushroom rocks are the typical landforms seen in deserts. Basaltic lava is found in the Deccan Trough. Shale is metamorphosed to which of the following rocks? Slate. Where are the hot deserts generally found? On the western margin of the tropics. Marble is the metamorphosed form of limestone. The highest mountain peak of the Himalayas is situated in Nepal. Metamorphic rocks originate from both igneous and sedimentary rocks. The term epicenter is associated with earthquake. Which one of the following is igneous rock? Granite. The tropical grassland is called savanna. The topography of plateau is ideal for generation of hydropower. Which of the following statement is correct? Lava and magma both have gas. Which one of the following is the example of sedimentary rocks? Loess. What is the international date line? It is the 180-degree longitude. The highest grade and best quality coal is anthracite. In which of the following is the Great Barrier Reef located? Coral Sea. What is the scale used for measuring the intensity of earthquake? Richter scale. The acceleration due to gravity at the equator is less than that at the poles. The Pacific Ring of Fire is associated with volcanoes and earthquakes. How much of the Earth's land surface is desert? 1/3. The approximate circumference of the Earth is 25,000 kilometers. When does the moon come between the sun and the earth? During solar eclipse. The latitude of a place is expressed by its angular distance in relation to equator. Hanging Valley is very common in glaciated areas. The word dendritic is associated with rivers. When the earth is at the maximum distance from the sun, it is called aphelion. The main source of usable water on the earth is underground water. Which of the following rivers lies in a rift valley? Tapti. Volcanoes are scattered on the islands. Which of the following minerals are required for smelting iron ore? Manganese and limestone. The innermost layer of the earth is known as Asthenosphere. Prime meridian passes through. Greenwich. In the context of time, GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. Which one of the following is an unpredictable natural disaster? Earthquake. The natural gaps across the mountains which provides roots are called passes. Flash floods are associated with cyclonic storms. Tundras are cold deserts. The rapid sliding of large masses of bedrocks is called landslides. Which type of lake is formed by volcanic activities? Caldera Lake. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Nepal. Sandstone is metamorphosed to quartzite. The Himalayan mountain range is an example of fold mountain.